Hello, everybody.
Hello!
Welcome to the December 9th edition of our Arduino Advent Calendar tutorial series. I've got my little helper here with me this evening.
Okay.
You haven't seen her since last weekend because I've been in Sydney for work and now I'm back, so we get to do the full edition of our lesson.
Yes, and it was weird because as far as I know, there's a giant robot thing behind me and it's getting pretty annoying.
There is a giant robot, that's true.
It's probably getting really annoying for you guys too.
People love giant robots.
No, they don't. Not people, not like me. People that don't like the world of nature, don't like robots because they're destroying nature.
Well, we're going to look at the focus for this lesson for today, which is a relay. Can you please find for us bag number 9? And while you're finding that, I'm going to...
If it's open,
you found it already?
Yes, if it's open, it's just because there's been a couple of attempts which we've had to do.
This is take 4, that's true. Let's take that relay out of its little packet. And while we do that, I'm going to read to you what a relay is. It says, a relay module is a switch that we can operate from our Arduino. Inside the relay, can you hold up the relay so people can see what it looks like? Nice, and hold it under there. Cool. And there's an electromagnet made up of a coil and ferrite material that's used to move the switch to different positions mechanically. So we're going to use the relay to control the voltage of something or the on and off operation of something in the Arduino.
Reflecting off it.
It's very pretty, very pretty. So let's have a look at, I'll just shut down that email. And let's have a look at the steps involved in the relay activity.
Batteries. It has batteries, look.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Thanks for showing that. Terrific.
It has batteries.
Says, step 1, connect the relay to the ground. So could you put the relay down for a little moment just there? Next to the Arduino, perfect. And we're going to get some of our little connections from here. Da-da-da-da. Let's get some out. Hang some from the Christmas tree. And we're going to connect the ground pin in the Arduino. So we've got our little ground pin here.
Hello.
And we're going to connect that to the ground pin of the relay. So how do we know what the ground pin is? Let me have a little look.
I think I know what it is. Let me have a hold. Give it to me if you can know what it is.
Alright, you have a little peek.
I think it's that.
Oh, do you know what? I think we've just found out from this end. It actually... Okay, so we know from here, I think, let's put this under our little thing. The ground pin is this one here. We get negative, plus, and S. So this is our ground here. So we're going to connect. Oh, is this another type of wire that I've not used yet? Because this is like a male. So they've got the little points there. I think I need to use another kind, which I'll show you. We're both using this for the first time. We've got another type of cord that's got...
Looks a bit like a twig from the camera.
It's got a little pointy bit there, and this is going to go in. So let's have a little look. See how this works. It's going to go from here onto here. Oops. There we go. And then from here to the ground, over here. Perfect. Now it says connect the 5-volt pin to the middle pin. So can you, my little darling, can you put this onto the pin on the next pin along on the relay?
Right here.
That's perfect. So it just pushes on. Push it on a little tighter.
I
Is it a bit
gave it
stuck?
out of camera because I don't know who really want to watch this. Me pushing something in.
How's it going? Yeah, good. Perfect, perfect. That's great. Got one final push. I'm sure that's perfect. So we've got that on there. Got 2 pins. And this one here
It's going to go there.
connects to the 5-volt pin. Yeah, which is the next one along. So in this little space, just a little closer. A little closer to this one here. You see how? We've got a little,
Right there.
no, right along here next to the other pin. Yeah, perfect. Good, nice one. That's exactly where it goes.
Look,
This is the
it's
5
floating
volt.
a bit.
It's floating. It's already working. It's going to make it levitate.
No, it's not.
Okay, connect pin 13.
Is this thing upside down? Because look,
Well, no, it was the right way up. That's it, perfect, like that.
this entire thing like meant to be like that.
Yeah, it is, because now we're going to, can you please put this connector onto the last pin of the relay here. If I hold it for you, you can push it on.
Yes, and again, and if you hadn't seen the first one, here is what it looked like of us.
Working together. There you go, perfect. We'll zoom it on a little tighter.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's what it looks like. If
And
you
this
didn't know
goes
how
to
we put it
pin 13. I can do this little one, pin 13.
What are you going to do with this bag? Throw it out?
No, we're going to keep all the little bags. Right, I'll put that back under the camera. Connect it up. Excellent. Now insert an LED into the breadboard. Where's our breadboard? Aha.
Where's the bread for the bread?
Where's the bread? Where's the bread? We've got a breadboard there. Let's pop that down there. And we need an LED. So I think it's in packet number 2, maybe? Can you find... Let's have a look.
How do you mean packet number?
Packet number 2, I think, has our LEDs in it. Might be in the top row.
So it's what 7 was.
Number 2.
It's,
Let's have a look here.
oh yeah, we should have looked at 7.
Is that it? That's it? Awesome. Can you get one of the LEDs out from there, please?
Why are they still in there?
I put them back into their packets after they've been used. Beautiful. LEDs. All right, how about we use yellow?
Like, if you don't
Nice. So what we're going to do with yellow, we're going to put it into the bread.
show them if they don't remember what they look like.
Perfect. And we actually need to make sure the shorter pin here, shorter one, is on the left-hand side. Oops, let me just check where to put it. And let's put it up here, say.
Still showing what they look like before I forgot.
Yes. There we go. You've got a green one there you're going to show?
Just show
Yeah,
this
nice.
one.
And the red.
Good.
Perfect. So we've got our yellow LED in there.
A bit more you can go to the video where, yeah.
That's true. Perfecto. Now we're going to insert a 200 ohm resistor into the breadboard, or 220 ohm resistor, which is the red. Oh, that's a nice clear picture. Red, black, brown. And so these little resistors.
Why is in the order?
That's how you know if it's 220 ohm or whether it's at 10,000 ohm. So it actually can be a little difficult for me to see the right one sometimes, but I do think this, if I put it under the camera, have a little look. If I can get it.
Blue.
It is, but look at the colours on the little line, if I can get it in focus.
Yes, it's
Which
red.
I can't tonight because the light's so dull. It's actually red, black, brown. So I'm just going to pop this here.
Red mixed with green.
Red, black, brown. So this is going to go onto this little vertical part.
Red.
Sorry about the poor focus, guys. We're filming at night time because we've had a busy day. So there we go, not too bad, not too bad. Okay. Now, connect the LED to the ground. So we're going to get, oh yeah, so we're just going to get our LED here. Am I doing the right thing? And this is going to connect to the ground over here. I think that's okay. Is that right? 2, 3? Why have we got 2 grounds? A5. Oh, hang on, let me go back up. I may have made a mistake. Step 1. Oh, that's right, ground. Ah, but is it ground to this side? Digital? The digital side. I think that's right. We're working in low light conditions here, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing with those two LEDs?
I was doing...
See if they match up. Alrighty. Alright, let's... Checking to see if I've got all this right.
It keeps on working and then it fails.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, yeah, I think that's okay. Okay, let's go from there. Connect the 3.3 volt Arduino pin to the relay. Oh, okay, so that's on this side now. Is this right? Do we go in? Oh, do we need to use our little screwdriver? 3.3 jumper should go to the NC side of the screw. We got a little screwdriver in this kit. I think we're going to need that for this.
Don't we already have a screwdriver?
I don't think we've got one this small, like this little screwdriver.
Didn't we need a screwdriver one time that small?
Yeah, we did, and I got one from Bunnings, but I don't know.
Yes, because you got off the shelf and used it, and you didn't buy it.
Okay.
You might have put a dent in it.
That's not actually the right head for that, so maybe...
What do you mean by head? Like
the head of the screwdriver there.
Like
Well, maybe, is this right? Let me see if what I'm doing right.
head. Because some people with technology can give stuff weird names like the head of a screwdriver.
True. Well, that plugged in there, I think, okay. So let's hope that's okay. And this is going to go to where? 3.3 volt. All right, okay, I see. Which is on this part of the Arduino. Boy, I've really made this a game of Twister. See how we go. See if all this works tonight with low light and a tired head. Connect the relay to the resistor. Okay, another cord. Resistor. Oh, okay, that's going to the resistor on the breadboard. So we need to connect it here, and we need to connect it here. We've got our LEDs turned on. Is that a good sign?
Yes, sir.
Righty, that's connected up there. Alright, that seems to be the last point of connection. Now it's code time.
Why did you go?
Should we have like a code dance? Code time, code time.
I don't think we should.
You don't think we should?
You don't have to go. Code time.
That's a good dance.
Like this. Code time.
So let's try it once more. Code time. Alright. Let's copy and paste this into here.
We said you wanted to be advertising things. I was doing a dance with code time.
Oh.
Are you really?
What's going on? this relay
Tock,
is clicking.
tock, tick, tock,
Wow.
tock, tick,
It works. The relay
tick,
is turning on and off the LED light.
tick, tock, tick, tock.
Pretty cool.
It's even bright on the screen and it actually does in real life. Like, see
Yeah, it
that?
does.
Light is crazy.
Wow, so it
Lighting up a
works.
lot of things. It actually looks a bit orange for us, but
It says here on the code, relay high, delay 1000. Delay 1000. We know about how to do this. What if we do 500 and 500? Let's see if it's how it switches then. Ooh. Shall we go faster? It's like a metronome. 200 and 200. What about it? 50 and 50? Are we that mad to do 50 and 50?
yes.
Wow!
And we're going to get time.
Amazing. Let's take it back to 500. 500 say.
Let's do 10 and 10.
10 and 10?
Yeah.
Do you want to blow the whole thing up?
10 and 10 and then 1. Great.
Well, let's do 10 and 10. I think 1 is going to do something totally crazy. Whoa!
Can't even work. Mega error. Yeah. So you said that 10 might break it, did you?
It sounded pretty crazy to me.
Sounded pretty bad. Okay.
All right, I think that's the end of our lesson. Well, thank you everybody for being here for our little relay.
Relay.
Well, a relay is what's making this through the LED, but it's also a type of race. Perfect.
Are you racing?
I'm racing with my relay. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll be back tomorrow with a daytime lesson where we have the 10th of December Arduino lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye.